Hi everyone! I'm sorry na ngayon lang ako nakabalik. And ayun nga, maraming nagtatanong sa inyo na kung kailan ko i-upload yung ibang question ng NMAT PHYSICS. And medyo naging busy ulit kasi kaya hindi na ako naka-upload. But yeah, some requested na gawan na. So I'm making the 11 to 20. I think yung focus nito is puro thermodynamics. And yun, hindi ko pa alam ulit kailan ko i-upload yung or gagawin yung susunod. Pero I hope na this one will be helpful for you. Okay, let's go. So, number 11, how much heat is required to warm 10 grams of ice from negative 10 degrees Celsius to 0 degrees Celsius with the specific heat of ice equal na 0.5 calories per gram Celsius. So, ito, kailangan lang i-follow yung ating equation na Q is equal to mCT. Wait lang, palitan ko lang yung color. I don't like it. So, Q, which is the heat, equals mass times specific heat. Tapos, delta T actually ito, difference ng temperature, which is from 10 degrees Celsius to 0. So, 10 lang yun. Mass mo ay 10 grams, and then your specific 10 grams, specific heat is 0.5 calories per gram Celsius. Sorry, hindi masyado maganda yung sulat ko. Ganun talaga. And then, mahirap magsulat eh. 10 Celsius. So, cancel, gram. So, you have 50. Diba? So, you got 50. Okay, next. And then, 12. Body X is in contact with body Y, which is hotter than body X. So, asan na yung aking pointer? Okay. So, mas mainit. Let's, consider this as Y. Mas mainit yung Y, which kaya mas red, kesa kay X, diba? Y is hotter. So, which of the following statements are true? Body X gains heat. Magigain daw ng heat si body X, and body Y loses heat. Which is true. Totoo yun. Kasi ito nga mataas siya, diba? Tapos ito mababa yung temperature niya. Pag pinagdikit yung dalawang body according to zeroth law ng thermodynamics, magiging equal. Gaya nitong color na to, naging equal na sila. And para maging equal yon, yung heat nito matatransfer dito. So, babawasan mo yung heat nito, tas ito, tataas yung heat. So, true yan. And then, the temperature of body X decreases. Bababa daw, hindi. Kasi nga, tataas siya dapat. So, mali na yung number 2. So, 3, the temperature of body X and body Y will eventually be equal, which is this. So, true. 1 and 3, yung tamang sagot. Next, 13. How many calories of heat is given off when 200 grams of water is cooled from 100 degrees Celsius to 20 degrees Celsius? So, again, Q is equal to, asan na? Q is equal to mCT. So, dapat matandaan niya talaga tong equation na to kasi dito parang sa buong 11 to 20, yun talaga yung equation na pinakaginamit. So, your mass is 200 grams. And then, your specific heat. Ang specific heat ng water is actually 1 cal per gram Celsius or 4.19 pag joules naman yung iyong unit. So, dito calories. So, calories yung kailangan mo. So, 1 cal. So, dapat kabisado mo na rin yun na 1 kapag water. Yung kanina ice yun, kaya 0.5, diba? Tama ba? Ice na yun. Ganon. Tapos, ano yung temperature mo? 120, so 80 degrees Celsius. Cancel. 200 times 80, 1,006. 16,000 cal. Ayun. Next. A 1,200 watt heater is used for raising the temperature of 1 liter of water to boiling. I'm sorry sa maingay. to boiling point. How long will it take for the water to boil if the initial temperature of water is 20 degrees Celsius? 1 cal is equal to 4.19 joules. So, eto, gamitin mo since meron kang watt. Remember, kapag yun nga, may physics na problem, lagi mo titingnan kung ano yung mga unit na nakakalat, ng mga binabanggit. Tapos through that mo maaalala or dun ka makakaisip ng way kung paano isolve yung problem. So here, nagbigay ng watt. So gets mo na pwede mong gamitin yung power. So, kasi power equals what? And ano rin yung power? Power is equal to work over time. Eh, time yung kailangan mo, diba? So, magagamit mo na yan. And then, yung unit ng power din, aside from what, is joules per second. So, pero, syempre, ang main concept is Q is, pagkuha ng heat, diba? And kung gaano katagal bago mo ma-reach yung boiling point, which is, anong boiling point ng water? 100 degree Celsius. So, dapat maalala natin yan. Na, gawin natin, Q is equal to mCT. Your mass is 1 liter, which is equal to 1,000 grams. Dapat alam nyo rin yan. Tapos, your specific heat is 4.19 joules. And then, your temperature, delta T yan. So, 10T, di ba nga? Minus 100, ganyan. So, 80 degree Celsius. Tapos, may calories, blah, blah, yan. So, ang sagot dito, cancel mo ng unit, 335,200 joule. Yun yung Q mo. And then, ano nang gagawin natin? Gagamitin na natin yung power, kasi may joules ka na, para makuha yung seconds. So, ano yung power mo? Lagay ko dito para di kayo maguluhan. PT, your power is 1,200 watts. And then your is 335,200 joules per time. Then, time, nilipat ko. Tapos, bababa ko rin yung 1,200. Sorry talaga sa napakaganda kong sulat. Pero sana naiintindihan nyo yan, ha? Ang sagot dyan, i-divide mo 279 seconds. Tada! Ayan. Sana makuha nyo. So, always remember, yung Q is equal to mCT. And yun nga, specific heat ng water is 1 calories or actually 4.19 joules. If the absolute temperature of a gas is quadrupled and its pressure is halved, then the volume will increase 8 times. Paano yun? Ito, sobrang importante na equation na to. So, hindi mo dapat yan kalimutan. And even sa chemistry, ginagamit yan. So, tandaan na ang PV and RT. You just need to know it by heart. Hindi ko alam kung meron bang mnemonics dyan yung iba. Pero, ayan, PV is equal to nRT. Ang sabi ay, if the absolute temperature of gas is quadrupled, so 4 times, diba? Ang gawin mo na lang para di ka malito, idikit mo siya. Dito, lalagay ko yung 4 kasi nga na-multiply by 4 yung T. And then, na-half daw yung pressure. So, lalagyan natin ng 1/2. Number 1 yan na. Hindi mo na pwede naman di yan ilagay. Pero nilagay ko lang para maalala mo lang na ganun. Just be careful. Kaya ko rin na nasa baba talaga. Kasi transfer. So, though you can do it mentally, pero yun, para lang makita nyo kung ano yung paano naging ganyan. So, volume yung pinapakuha. Anong mangyayari? NR for T lilipat sa baba. Lahat nawawala dito, 'di ba? Para makuha mo yung volume. So, ito bababa siya. Tapos, ito, nasa baba siya. Kaya ako siya pinababa kasi pwede mo siyang gawin ganyan. Mamaya, ilipat mo yan as a whole dito. Hindi. Itong 2 dapat nandito yan. Dito yan. Dito. Sa taas din kasi, 'di ba? Nasa baba. So, nilipat siya sa taas. So, 8. And RTP. So, na-multiply siya 8 times. Yun lang. Next. A glass flask which is partly filled with water is heated over a Bunsen flame. As soon as the water begins to boil, the flask is removed from the flame and tightly stoppered immediately. Boiling stops And then boiling stops. When cold water is poured on the surface of the flask, which of the following will happen to the water inside the flask? Ang sagot is, magbo-boil ulit yung water. Since the condensation of the stream reduces the pressure inside. Kung ayaw mo maniwala, di gawin mo siya. Pero yun, magbo-boil siya talaga ulit. Okay, next. Ito, this question, sobrang ayoko na nandito siya sa NMAT because hindi, ewan ko ako on my own, hindi ko siya maaalala kaagad. Kahit na parang kailangan meron akong cheat sheet para maalala yung paano i-solve sa lahat. So, good luck na lang. Pero, yun, try ko na lang ipaintindi kung paano siya i-solve. Pero, I hope na hindi siya lumabas. Or kung lumabas man, sana same na same kung paano yung equation, diba? Kasi hindi, yun nga, madaming ganap sa carnot refrigerator or even carnot engine. So, sana hindi na lang to lumabas. Pero kung lalabas yun, gabayan nawa kayo. Pero yun, so a carnot refrigerator takes heat from water at 0 degrees Celsius and rejects heat to a room at 27 degrees Celsius. If 50 kg of water at 0 degrees Celsius is converted to ice at 0 degrees Celsius, how much energy must be supplied to the refrigerator? So, ang una natin dapat malaman ay, okay, ang tinatanong how much energy must be supplied to refrigerator. Ito yung kinukuha natin. Ito. And ano yung QC and K? K is yung efficiency ng refrigerator. Kung paano siya nag-work yun, efficiency niya. And then, very important sa pagkuha ng temperature ng carnot refrigerator is absolute temperature because ideal refrigerator yan. Anyway, kahit naman yung real ata, na absolute temp pa rin, Kelvin. And, just so you know lang, paano nila naging absolute temp natin yung Kelvin kasi nasa kanya yung absolute zero. Na pag siya yung zero, yun talaga yung zero. Kasi parang sinolve or basta ginawa nila yung Fahrenheit and Celsius and whatever. Tapos tinry kung saan mag-meet lahat yung tatlong iba-ibang temperature and lahat sila nag-meet. Nung nag-meet na sila lahat sa isang point, yun na yung kinonsider nila na absolute zero. Kaya Kelvin. And then, paano mag-convert ng Celsius to Kelvin? Mag-add ka lang ng 273. Magiging na siyang Kelvin. Okay. And then, QC is equal to ML. Ano to? Ito yung heat from the cold reservoir. Ibig sabihin, siya yung, if 50 kg of water at 0 degrees Celsius converted to ice at 0 degree, siya yung heat na nawawala sa water para maging siyang ice. Water naging ice. Ito yun. Ito yung heat na yun. Okay? So, and then, carnot refrigerator efficiency. Ito yan. And then, sorry, maingay yung kapitbahay. Anyway, tapos, very important, itong latent heat of fusion. Kasi, ito yung dahilan kaya sinasabi ko na dapat hindi ito kasama. Kasi, hindi naman natin kabisado. Yan, ako hindi yan kabisado. Tapos, yun. Anyway, sana, ito na lang ano ba yung latent heat of fusion? Ito yung, kasi may change ng phase na from water or from liquid to solid. Kaya, ganito yung need na heat instead na, di ba yung kanina mga specific heat, ganon. Ayan, dito latent heat of fusion yung kailangan natin. And then, kasi sa ending, magko-convert tayo ng joule per sa kilowatt hour. Kaya meron ito. Okay, so now, solve na natin. K is equal to TC over TH minus TC. Hindi ko pala in-explain kung ano yung TH and TC, di ba? Temperature, ito yan. Nasa na yan? Yung TC ay yung heat from cold. Tapos, yung TH, edi yung heat from hot. Ganon. Okay. Di ba nga, sabi ko, kailangan natin sila i-convert sa Kelvin. So, 273, kasi 0 yun, plus 273. So, 273 Kelvin over, itong TH natin is temperature, 27, so plus 10, plus 273, 300 minus 273. Sorry, ang ingay ng kapitbahay. Hindi ko rin alam ba't sila maingay. Yan ay 10.11. Tapos, wala na yung unit ha, kasi nga, minus, cancel na yan. And then, next is, kunin na natin yung ating heat from, mass, tsaka latent heat of fusion. Mass natin is 50 kilogram. And then, ang ating times 10 raised to 5 joule. Joule yan, syempre. Basta joule per kilogram. Ang hirap magsulat na, ang hirap magpura, ganyan. Tapos, gamitin nyo na lang calc nyo. Wala akong pero ito, sinolve ko na siya ahead. Ayan. Tapos, ayan na, meron ka na ang QC. Pwede kunin na natin yung ending. QC over K equals 16, 650, 0, 0, 0 over 10.11. Diba, joules din yan? Joules pa rin kasi wala naman tong unit. Ang sagot dito is 1646,884. Tapos, convert mo na lang. Ako, convert ko na lang. Joule. Convert mo yan sa watts. Lalabas na dyan 4.6 kilowatt-hour. Okay. Yun lang. Pero sana hindi yan lumabas. Good luck na lang talaga. Next, the amount of heat required to raise the temperature of 10 grams of water at 10 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius is Q is equal to mCT ulit. Diba, sabi sa inyo, very important to never forget. QMC is equal to QC. Ayan, tapos 10 grams times 40 degrees Celsius. Delta T kasi, diba? Tapos, ano yan? 1 calorie needed dahil specific heat ng alin? Ng water. 400. Diba? Tapos, next, the immediate source of water. Okay, yun, physics is not, may mga part ng physics na mahirap, pero may mga part ng physics na madali. If gagawin mo lang tong huhulaan, sayang. So, aralin mo at least yung madadali para masagot mo siya and magka-score ka. May mga tao na ipapamigay na lang tong physics, pero feeling ko talaga, this is your edge para tumaas yung NMAT mo. Huwag mo hayaan na ipamigay mo lang yung physics and even yung quantitative. Try mo siyang pag-aralan. Okay? So, 19. The immediate source of water which forms dew on grass on a summer morning is the air. Dahil siya lang naman yung dyan. Pwede maging body of water. Di ba may dew? Ganon. So, yun yan. Next. Di ba? May mga gantong questions sa physics. So, madali lang. Okay. The table above gives the specific heat and the thermal conductivity of some substances. Based on the table, which substance requires a greater amount of heat to raise the temperature of its unit mass by 1 degree? Sino pinakamataas dyan? Water. Di siya na yung highest na Siya yung highest na specific heat. Therefore, siya yung pinaka nangangailangan ng mataas na amount ng heat para mag-raise. So, yun lang for now. I hope that helps. I will try my best to manage my time and be able to help you answer the other questions. Wish mo luck, midterms ka na rin. Yan lang. Thank you for watching. Good luck sa NMAT na may makuha niyo lahat ng score na gusto niyo. Fighting all.